Welcome back, everyone. So, today we're diving into a practical way to enhance your personal photos using Midjourney. Whether you want to turn your snapshots into artistic pieces, upgrade your backgrounds, or add creative effects, well, Midjourney can help you achieve professional quality results effortlessly. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you elevate your photo editing game. Let's jump right in. Let's start with something we all have: selfies. Instead of letting them sit untouched in your camera roll, why not turn them into stunning works of art? So Midjourney makes it super easy to add like an artistic flair to your photos. You'll be amazed at how simple tweaks can completely transform a basic selfie into something that looks professionally painted. So ready to see how it's done? Let's jump into it. Okay, so first off, you can upload your photo, your selfie photo right here as a support for the prompt that you'll be pasting it right here. Just drop it here by dragging from one file location to down here, or you could just click choose a file. Let me just whip up an example. Hold on. There we go. Right over here. This is one, for instance. I just found this on the internet, by the way. And then let me just paste my prompt right here. There we go. So the prompt right over here. So I wanted like a hyper detailed oil painting, and I have to put like a bit more details here and there. Also, with the resolution being 4K to make it ultra realistic. Then I think it's time for the image rendering process to begin. Now, let's send this off right about now. Okay, so now that we sent the prompt, let's give Midjourney a few moments to work its magic. Right over here. It might take a couple of seconds, but it won't take long. And yep, here it is. Right over here. See? Look at that transformation. And ba-boom! See? It's still clearly you, but now with a classic artistic touch right there. Look at that detail. Make it look like an oil painting. Look at that. See? Another one. You can just notice it if you zoom in a bit closer. Now, with this artistic touch, it makes it look like it belongs in a gallery. The rich colors and brushstroke details are quite stunning, I must say. So, you can also experiment it with other styles too. Maybe try like a pencil sketch, watercolor effect, or even a pop art twist. Nonetheless, looks pretty solid, I must say. We all have those vacation photos where the background doesn't quite do the moment justice. Maybe the sky wasn't as bright as you hoped, or perhaps the scenery didn't capture the magic of the moment. But don't worry, Midjourney can help you give those photos a serious upgrade. Imagine swapping out like a dull backdrop for a breathtaking landscape. Well, sounds pretty cool. Though, let's see how it's done from Midjourney. Okay, here's what we could do. Same thing. Add a photo. Same option. For example, this one right here. Let's say this is like the vacation photo. Then I put my prompt over here. There we go. So I want like Midjourney to replace the background with a, let's say, panoramic view of the Rocky Mountains at sunset. Has a warm sunset glow, realistic shadows and highlights. Has a soft gold an orange sky, hints of pink and purple, reflective alpine lake in the foreground. All right, so here it is. Let's commence the image rendering process for Midjourney. Okay, so we've sent the prompt. Now let's wait out a bit and see how Midjourney would work on blending the photo seamlessly. And alrighty, here is the final result. Look at the difference right there. See this one? Look at that. It looks like you were really there. Not gonna lie. Look at the alpine lake right here. See? And look at how it's surrounded with these gorgeous mountains. The sunset glow right over here and the reflection on the lake add like such a beautiful serene touch. And also, if mountains aren't your thing, you can easily swap it in beaches or bustling cityscapes or even whimsical fantasy worlds to match your vibe. The possibilities are endless. But till then, look at this. Pretty stunning. And another one right here. See, it's kind of matching with this one right here. And this one. See? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now for our final segment, let's get a little playful by adding some creative effects to your everyday photos, just like this one. So this is where you can really let your imagination run wild. Whether you want to give your photo like a futuristic twist, add whimsical effects, kind of like this one, or create a surreal masterpiece, kind of like this one. Now Midjourney makes it super easy to get those wow-worthy results. So ready to have some fun? Let's dive in with this. Okay, again, like the previous segments, upload your photo of your choice. So for example, I would have to go with this one right here. Okay, and then I would paste my prompt right over here. So I would want this lady in the photo to add like neon angel wings, then have feather details, had to set under a starry night sky with a prominent Milky Way, and have softly glowing stars in the background, surreal lighting, of course, hyper realistic details, 8K resolution. Alrighty. So once more, let the image rendering process commence now. Alrighty. And now that we've sent the prompt, Midjourney will start overlaying those details that were in the prompt that I created in the photo right over here. And yep, it's done. See? Check this out. Now here's the before, okay? And here's the after. Look at the glowing wings right here. The cosmic colors and the dreamy lighting really make the photo pop. It's like something straight out of a fantasy novel or a sci-fi movie poster. Okay, this one, I kind of like it more. All right, and another one right here. Very nice. And last one, very nice. And this is just the beginning. And you can experiment with different fantasy elements like floating objects, magical creatures, or even futuristic cityscapes to create your own unique style. The sky's the limit. And that's it for today's photo enhancement session with Midjourney. Whether you're turning selfies into art, like this one, upgrading your vacation shots, like this one, or adding creative effects, like this one, Midjourney offers endless possibilities for enhancing your photos.